This is the Blue Demon True View 9300 digital, and I've already been welding with it quite a bit, but I'm doing an official review on it. I absolutely am in love with the digital gauges. How you can change from cutting to welding to grinding just in a heartbeat, and it's really nice. I was using it for my plasma cutter the other day, and man, it was so nice to actually be able to dial it in while you're using your plasma. You know, anytime you use your welding mask with a plasma cutter, it usually will flicker on and off constantly and you can't really see where you're going. Well, with this one, when I switched it over, I could get the shade exactly where it needed to be, where it darkened it, but I could actually still see what the hell I was doing. It was great. I've been welding with it all day. I really like it. I love the way the adjustments are. It really makes the adjustments really easy on the actual helmet. Super comfortable. And it's got a huge view in it. I know Blue Demon has a monster view, or whatever they call it, a pano view. I know they have one that has a bigger area than this, but I don't know why you need it, because you can really see everything. I mean, I got this much of a space, which is plenty for me. But I've been using it. I've been loving it. It's been working great. The funny thing with this is most welding masks, you know, they come with an owner's manual. It's kind of like turn this here for whatever. This actually legitimately has helped me a bunch, and it really is great. I've loved it a lot. And you can also just change everything to max settings, which makes life a lot easier. And I really like that you can switch from cut, grind, and then weld. So I'll have my cut set. We'll go to a 4 on it. And then on my grind, I want it real light, so we'll keep it at a 3. And then my weld, since I'm doing TIG welding, which you kind of want a little bit darker, I'm going to jump that up to 13. And then now those are just saved like that. So I just can change it. And I like my sensitivity real low, so I keep that way. But super cool. 9300 is the square millimeters that it has of viewing. I believe that's what they said the 9300 was, which is just huge. I mean, really all you need to know is that it's huge. Like I said, I've been using it constantly. I haven't had any problems. It's about twice the width as the other one I used. I'm not going to name that name, but it's about twice as big as my other welding mask, and I'm really loving it. It's so nice to be able, I know I've said this like 3 or 4 times now, but it's so nice to be able to change my stuff on the fly. I was TIG welding earlier, and then I switched over back to MIG welding. With the TIG, I always try and make it really dark, so it's so easy to just be able to, you know, hit 2 buttons and be set exactly where I'm set, and then I don't have to worry about changing it. I don't have to worry about flipping any knobs and forget where I am or any of that. I can actually look at it. Oh, I'm on a 13 right now. Perfect. So I like it a lot. Hopefully I've answered any questions anybody has, and I'm going to keep welding with it, and I'm definitely not going to give it back to them. So I hope they didn't want it back. So, all right, take care.